We're somewhere a little different this morning. Houston, we have landed. What's up, buddy? Good morning, sunshine.
What's up?
Sundays are for racing. Let's go, baby. All right, so we are here in Houston in the middle of a hurricane. Houston, we got a problem. So what's cool about where we're at right here is it's a police academy. So they have their own like mini track, skid pad area that they allow groups to use for autocross. First impressions, we got a lot of fast drivers here. So we'll see how we stack up with them. It looks like it's not gonna start raining until later in the day. So hopefully I miss out on the rain. We drove all the way down to Houston last night, chilled here, and then came up in the morning. There's a lot of really cool cars out here, so it's gonna be really cool comparing myself to drivers that I haven't compared to yet. So it'll be new. Hopefully we got some good competition. It's really hot down here and really humid. But so far vibes are good, vibes are great. Welcome to the channel. I got my Subaru BRZ here 2019, done nothing but coilovers and wheels and tires, so we will be rocking the Bridgestone 71 RSs. Outside of that, we're gonna have some GoPro footage. You'll probably see some cool B-roll and we'll go from there. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Sundays are for racing. We got some more racing to do next week. Let's get it going. We're here, walking the course. It's pretty dope. We're actually on a police academy, like skid pad type.
This is the most insane course I have ever seen. Dude. Like this blows everything we've ever done out of the water.
This is kind of crazy. So I'm excited. It looks like there's a lot of good people out here. So good competition means we're gonna push us to go faster. So we'll see how we do. Look at this helicopter over here. You can tell they do some crazy training over here. This is dope.
Beryl, the earliest Category 5 hurricane fueled by record warm waters, is expected to regain hurricane strength as it takes aim at Texas. It pummeled Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula Friday as a Category 2 hurricane, toppled trees and power lines in tourist hotspot Tulum before weakening to a tropical storm.
All right, run number one.
Not a bad first run.
All right, baby.
That's one of the fast times.
Let's go. All right, dude. Clean it up, get a little quicker. I was definitely babying some spots for sure.
Oh yeah.
You know?
First run.
Yeah. Run two. Exactly what I did. All right. Ooh, I hit all those fucking cones coming out of that gate. Oh, did you at least have fun?
Yeah, dude.
I got a little scared whenever you hit up whenever you got up on the cone. I was like, oh shit.
I'm in danger.
I got an extra pair of shorts if you need them, dog. I brought them for me because sometimes I scare myself too. That's what it is about here, man. Just pushing yourself a little bit until you get comfortable. All right.
God damn.
All right, guys. We've done 2 runs. This is our 3rd. Currently sitting in 2nd, but my raw time would put me in 1st temporarily. So I really got to clean it up, get a little quicker. I think I can do it. We got 2 more runs. We got no weight in the car on this one. So let's turn it on. We're doing pretty well. I know I can go faster. Let's go, baby. Track mode, AC off. It's hottest tits in Houston. Hottest tits. My time, oh no, I gotta speed it up, shit.
What are you in right now?
I'm in 3rd now.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Shit.
pick it up, man.
Yeah, I do. I was in 1st for a little bit with cones.
Yeah.
Now I'm in 3rd. Yeah, I really gotta clean it up and pick 48.9 is what I gotta shoot for.
48.9?
Yeah.
You got it, right now.
Let's do it, buddy.
Okay, guys, let's get out there and make a difference. You know what to do.
Let's go, baby. Let's go, 48.7. All right, we got 1 more run to speed it up. Not bad. All right, Houston region, I'm fucking with you. Pushing me to be better. That's what I'm here for. Whoo. And we get 1 more run, sweet. And it's dry. I'm gonna call that the hurricane run unless the next one's faster, because we got a hurricane.
You ready for the woo! Hurricane?
Eyes up, smooth as fast, fast as smooth.
Let's go. Keep it clean.
We ready?
I hope so.
Kick ass, take some names.
Yes,
no
sir.
Cones, all speed.
Yes.
All right. You gotta scare your passenger. Ready? Go!
I should have checked my pressures before this. The hurricane is coming. We're struggling, dude. Oh shit, it's getting windy. Dude, it's about to just destroy us. Those clouds are moving so fast. Look how dark it is over there. Oh shit. We survived the hurricane. Everything looks normal now, but as you guys saw, it was raining earlier. But second place in class, 14th overall. Let's go, baby. Now we're gonna go eat. We're all packed up, ready to go. But hey, we survived the hurricane. Yo, I lied. We're still in the hurricane. We did not survive it. We're trying to go eat. Let's hope we make it. It's gonna be another journey. Hurricane ain't got nothing on us. Yo, we survived the first round of the hurricane. That was kind of wild, dude.
That's the second round, bro. First round was on fourth.
That's true. That's true.
You kicked us out of the venue. I didn't get to put my fucking wheels, but you know what? We ball.
We're good, dude. We're good. My all seasons were all seasoning for sure. But now we're gonna eat some food. I'm so hungry. This food's gonna be so good. This place is way too nice. And we definitely are way underdressed. Yikes, this is so nice.